everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. So, are we ready for another day of Craftmas? I am. Today, what I want to do is I've got a couple of canvases here. I believe they're 8x8s or 10x10s, maybe 12x12s even. I don't know. I forgot. Let us see. 10x10s. So what I want to do is I've got some paint here and I've got some ribbon. I have some big fat ribbon. I've got this one and I've got this one because you know, y'all, I love ribbon and I get ribbon and then I hoard ribbon. So I'm going to use ribbon. So, and I even have, you know, this in case I want something of that. I don't know yet until I get my background done and I'm looking over because behind you, don't look over your shoulders because you won't see it. But trust me, behind you is a bunch more ribbon. So I have a thing with spools through it that's got like 5 spools full of ribbon. And then I have my even basket beside that with even more ribbon. So I have a lot of ribbon. So, but the first thing that we need to do is admire all the glitter. That's on my desk, on my face, on my body. Even though I've done this already. I'll just hit it again. I don't mind it being on the canvas, to be honest. I really don't care. Because you know, I love the glitter. Alright, so I've got some paint here. And I have a stencil. You know me, I love the whimsical looking stencils and stuff. So, and you see this color palette? That's the color palette that we're going for. Alright, I know it may not be everybody's bag. You may be like, ew, gross, why? I don't know. I just like it, so I'm going to therefore do it. So, but the first thing that we need to do is we need to put down a base coat. And I'm going to be using forest green for the base coat. And I'm just going to do it like that because we have a huge canvas that we need to cover here. And of course, I cannot... Where is a big old brush for us to use? Alright, doesn't work. So, I'm just base coating the canvas. And after I get it painted, I will make the decision if I want to put 2 coats on it or not. I may just want to keep the look of the canvas kind of showing through. I don't know yet until I do it. Because, you know, sometimes I like that look because, I don't know, I just do. Kind of, I don't know, I just dig it. I know a lot of people don't, but... So, I'm going to put 1 coat on, let it dry, and then I will be back with you to determine what we're going to do. Probably going to put 2 coats on it because I don't like the streaks very much on this right now. The streaks are not calling to me. So I'll go ahead and put 2 coats on both of them and I'll be back when all of that is dry to go on to the next step. Okay, I took the stencil and I took some modeling paste and spread it all on the canvas, all over it, let it dry, then went over it again with the Fiesta green that I used as the base coat. Then I went with some bright green and just dry brushed it all over the modeling paste. Then I used some peacock teal to kind of just dab on some of the paisley prints, and then I've moved on with bluegrass green, the same. And then at the very end, I used some of the sour apple. I tried to keep it a little bit like the sour apple on the top and the bluegrass green in the middle. Now I'm just taking double-sided tape and the ribbon, and I will make it look like a package by just using the double-sided tape. I thought first I could just, wrap it around, and I was like, oh, that looks kind of, it really wasn't tight enough, and I didn't like it, and so I was like, well, I'll just go ahead and just cut it and just use double-sided tape. I was going to try to do it more like what you would do on a real package, but it just wasn't going to work, so I just ended up doing it this way, which ended up working just perfectly fine. It's double-sided tape from Simon Says Stamp, I believe, is what that tape is, and it's pretty good tape, actually. It's very strong. Then move on to making the bow, and I don't make it technically correct, but I will link a video that I have done on how to make these bows if you want it more in slow time and the correct way to make these types of bows. You usually use another piece of wire and all of that, but I just wanted to use what I had at hand, and I just end up tying it in the back, and it turned out looking pretty snazzy to me. I like the way it turned out, and again, I'm just going to use some double-sided tape to adhere it to the center of the other parts of the ribbon. And with those bows, you got to just zhuzh. That's all there is to it. You just got to keep fluffing it. So I think it turned out really cute. Hey, so here they are. Didn't they turn out so stinking cute? I love them. They're like little packages. And I used up some of my ribbon that I've had forever. I might have even got this ribbon at the Dollar Tree. I don't know. I pick up ribbon when I see it's pretty or after the holidays, Did I do the bows technically correct? No, I didn't. I just wanted to use what I had right here and not really worry about it, y'all. It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be perfection. It works. I think they're cute. I really like them. I think they're adorable. I love the paisley background on them. They're so cute. Yay! Let me know what you think about them down below. So that's it for today's Craftmas video. I hope that you are enjoying this series. If you are, please give the video a like and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll see you tomorrow for another Craftmas video. Y'all be good to one another. Bye.